how to get paid on YouTube with 0 subscribers. Welcome to another exciting episode of EasyTube Profits. Today, we're diving into a topic that might seem too good to be true, but it's absolutely possible. We're going to explore how you can get paid on YouTube with 0 subscribers. Yes, you heard that right, 0 subscribers. This is a game changer for anyone just starting out or struggling to grow their subscriber base. The truth is, you don't need a massive following to start earning money on YouTube, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Hey guys, Henry here from EasyTube Profits. We're dedicated to helping you make money on YouTube, even before you're monetized. We share tips and tricks, do review videos, and explore different strategies to boost your earnings. If that sounds interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get started. 1. Understanding the YouTube monetization myth. First, let's address the biggest myth that holds a lot of new creators back. Many people believe that the only way to make money on YouTube is by joining the YouTube Partner Program and earning through ad revenue. While that's certainly one way to make money, it's far from the only way. The truth is, relying solely on ad revenue can be limiting, especially when you're just starting out. It takes time to reach the thresholds required for monetization, and even then, ad revenue can be unpredictable. But here's the good news. There are multiple ways to monetize your channel without ever relying on ads or waiting to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. 2. Affiliate marketing. One of the most effective ways to start earning on YouTube with 0 subscribers is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services in your videos and earning a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate link. The best part is that you don't need a large audience to make this work. All you need is a well-crafted video that resonates with viewers and a product that genuinely solves a problem or fulfills a need. To get started, you'll want to join an affiliate program. Some popular options include Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank. Once you're signed up, you can choose products relevant to your niche and start incorporating them into your content. For example, if your channel focuses on tech reviews, you can include affiliate links to the products you're reviewing. Even with 0 subscribers, if your video ranks well in search and provides value, viewers who find your content will be more likely to click your affiliate links. One key tip is to make sure you disclose your affiliate links in your video and description. Transparency builds trust with your audience, even if that audience is small at the start. Number 3. Offering services or expertise. Another powerful way to get paid on YouTube without subscribers is by offering your services or expertise directly to viewers. This works particularly well if you have a specific skill set or knowledge that others find valuable. You can create content that showcases your expertise and subtly mention that you offer services related to the topic. For example, if you're a graphic designer, you could create tutorials on design techniques. In the video or description, you can mention that you're available for freelance design work. Even without a large subscriber base, people who find your content helpful may reach out to you for your services. This approach not only helps you make money, but also establishes you as an authority in your field, which can lead to more opportunities down the road. 4. Selling digital products. Digital products are another fantastic way to monetize your channel early on. These can include ebooks, online courses, templates, or even stock photos. The beauty of digital products is that they can be created once and sold repeatedly, providing you with a passive income stream. Let's say you're an expert in video editing. You could create a course on how to use a popular editing software and sell it through your channel. You don't need a large audience to start making sales, especially if you target your content towards people who are actively looking for tutorials in that area. To promote your digital products, you can create videos that offer valuable tips or tutorials, and then mention that viewers can learn more by purchasing your course or ebook. Even with a small number of views, if your content is high quality and solves a problem, you'll find people willing to buy your products. 5. Crowdfunding and donations. Crowdfunding platforms like Patreon and Ko-fi allow creators to earn money through the support of their fans. This method is particularly effective for creators who produce content that resonates strongly with a specific group of people, even if that group is small. You can set up a Patreon account and offer exclusive content, early access to videos, or even one-on-one consultations as rewards for supporters. Ko-fi is another option that allows viewers to buy you a coffee as a way of showing their support, without requiring a long-term commitment like Patreon. What's great about crowdfunding is that it doesn't rely on a large number of subscribers. Instead, it focuses on building a strong connection with those who do watch your content, encouraging them to support you directly. 6. Sponsored content. Believe it or not, you don't need a huge subscriber count to attract sponsorships. Brands are increasingly looking for micro-influencers who have a strong connection with a niche audience. Even if your channel is small, if you create content that aligns with a brand's target market, you could land sponsorship deals. When approaching potential sponsors, focus on the quality of your content and how it engages your viewers, rather than the size of your audience. You can reach out to brands directly or join influencer marketing platforms like FameBit or Grapevine, which connect creators with sponsorship opportunities. In your videos, you can include a brief mention of the sponsor, demonstrating how their product or service fits into your life or the content you're sharing. Make sure to follow YouTube's guidelines on sponsored content and always disclose any partnerships to maintain transparency with your audience. Number 7. YouTube consulting. If you've developed some expertise in growing a YouTube channel, even without a large subscriber base, you can offer consulting services to help others do the same. There are plenty of small businesses and individuals who are looking to establish a presence on YouTube but don't know where to start. You can create videos that offer general advice and then pitch your consulting services to viewers who want more personalized help. This is a great way to monetize your knowledge and experience, even if you're still building your own channel. Consulting can be done one-on-one or through group workshops, and it's a flexible income stream that you can scale as your channel grows. Number 8. Selling merchandise. While it might seem counterintuitive to sell merchandise when you don't have many subscribers, it can actually be a viable income stream if done right. The key is to create merchandise that resonates with your niche and offers value beyond just being a branded product. For instance, if your channel is focused on fitness, you could sell workout gear or downloadable workout plans. These products don't necessarily need to have your channel's branding, they just need to appeal to the interests of your viewers. Platforms like Teespring and Merch by Amazon allow you to create and sell merchandise with no upfront costs. You can promote these products in your videos and descriptions, making it easy for viewers to purchase if they're interested. Number 9. Leveraging YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts are a relatively new feature, but they offer a unique opportunity to reach a wider audience quickly. Even with 0 subscribers, a well-crafted short can go viral and attract thousands of views. The key is to create engaging, concise content that encourages viewers to take action. For example, you could create a short that teases a longer tutorial or review with a link in the description to your affiliate product or digital course. Shorts are also a great way to drive traffic to your longer videos, where you can monetize through other methods we've discussed. 10. Networking and collaborations. Finally, don't underestimate the power of networking and collaborations in growing your channel and income. Collaborating with other creators, even those with small followings, can expose your channel to new audiences and create opportunities for monetization. You can reach out to creators in your niche and propose a collaboration that benefits both parties. This could be a joint video, a shout-out, or even a mini-series where you both contribute content. Collaborations help you build relationships within the YouTube community, and these relationships can lead to sponsorships, affiliate opportunities, and other income streams down the line. If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not share and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Just so you know, on the top left-hand side of the screen, you will see a video that I believe you might like. Below that is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And if you look on the right side of the screen, you'll see an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.